week we're in Stellenbosch for DarkFest, which is one of the craziest freestyle mountain bike events. Guys are about to send backflips off 110-foot gaps all the way to there. We're here with Antigravity this week. They've created the world's first 360 drone. It's basically a flying 360 camera. And so the object of this video is to try capture some crazy stunts in a way that only this drone could film. So because of that, my thought process was to basically create like a cable cam type shot. Now with a cable cam, you usually need 2 trees, 2 poles to set up a cable with. It's a lot of admin. Look around here, there isn't really any poles or trees to create a cable cam right next to jumps. So we're just gonna fly the drone as close as possible right next to the athlete and hopefully capture a cable cam looking shot, which pretty much could only ever be filmed on this. To coordinate something like this with a drone, the traditional drone would usually take a lot of skills, and you can kind of just send it with this. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do now, and hopefully it works out. Oh my god, that is insane. This is ridiculous. It's such a nuts way to fly a drone. Cable cam shot was a success. I'm really pumped to check this out. The replay looked nuts, but the light was perfect, the framing was pretty good. I do want to come back here when guys are doing like crazy backflips, but I think for now, I've got a shot that I'm happy with, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so for this shot, we've come up to the step up jump here. It's pretty nuts, and the plan for this shot is to try get the A1 directly above a rider, so we get this crazy top-down shot. I've done this before with a regular drone, but it's really difficult to get the timing right. It's pretty much like 90% luck, but obviously because we're shooting in 360, if I'm a bit too fast or a bit too slow, I don't have to worry because I'm still going to be able to reframe the shot perfectly. So hopefully somebody's going to come up now, hit this, do like some corked out backflip, and they'll come straight up towards the camera and back down. And it should be a pretty unique shot, so let's try to get it. Oh my god, that was fucking nuts.
That was
like close. Really?
Like literally. Got a really good shot of that.
This is the biggest jump on the course. The plan for this next shot is to kind of thread the needle and fly the drone between the takeoff and the landing on this jump so that the rider goes up and over the drone, and then we can reframe it perfectly in post-production. Okay, so I needed to pause the video here for a second to show you how crazy it is to have flying 360 footage. So if we go here into the Antigravity studio, look at the way I can reframe my footage. Because it's 360, I just never miss the shot. So here goes the first rider, second rider. If we go quickly across, there's the third rider. But look at the way I can just move around and reframe however I want in post-production. Getting a shot like this is pretty much impossible unless you're using this drone, so I felt like I just really need to show that quickly. Anyway, let's get back into the video. Just another sort of unique, invisible cable cam type shot that would only be possible on this drone, so hopefully we can get the timing right. Let's give it a go. That pretty much wraps it up. 3 insane shots that you could only get on this drone. If you want to check out more, I'll have a link below. I've got so many more ideas I want to try with this thing, so excited to fly more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.